So if you're curious about the market trends here for San Luis Obispo County, when it comes to the housing market, you've come to the right video. I'll be giving you my breakdown and what we're seeing out there on the field, helping buyers, sellers, and investors purchase and sell property here on the Central Coast, and what we might be seeing for the future as we get into the second half here for 2024. Hard to believe. We're going to be talking about closed sales, pending sales, active listings, inventory levels, and again, what kind of trends we're seeing in quarter number 3 and 4 so you can make the best decision for yourself and your family. Please like and subscribe, it means a lot, and leave your comments. What do you think is going to be happening here on the Central Coast of California? Let's go ahead and get into it. This is your July 2024 real estate market update here for the Central Coast. We've had a busy month here personally for our team in June, helping lots of buyers and sellers and investors purchase and sell real estate here on the Central Coast. So I want to take this time to kind of step back and really show you what we've seen in the last month, and again, what we might be seeing for the next few months. So there have been some headlines out there, low pending home sales, which is true. We have seen lower pending home sales. We have seen a little bit of a reduction, a little bit of a pullback when it comes to buyer demand. We have seen an uptick in active listings, and we'll all get into that here. But generally, we've seen a strong market here for San Luis Obispo County, which is no surprise because we have so many people who are looking to retire here. So some of those macro trends and those outside markets like LA and in the Bay Area are giving a lot of demand for this particular area. So still a lot of cash purchases here for the county. With all that being said, we are seeing, again, like we are seeing the headlines in the rest of the country, there is a little bit of a pullback, and we are seeing that increased month supply and that increased inventory. So I'll talk to you about what that might mean for you as a buyer or a seller. So let's go ahead and get into the first one here, June active listings. So active listings, we have seen it tick up a little bit, up 19% year over year when we compare to 2023. So 617 active listings for June compared to 517 in 2023. And we're still down actually when you compare it to 2022 of 661. So this may be an uptick here we've seen obviously since last year, still historically low. When we take a look at previous years in June, we're at between 1,200 all the way up to 1,500 active listings. So we're still about half active listings that we would normally see in previous years. But again, we are seeing some relief for that low inventory issue that we've seen on the Central Coast, up around 20% year over year when we compare last year of 2023 in June. Closed sales, what have we seen for the last month in regards to closed sales? We're similar to what we saw the month previous, and now June is kind of the peak here of selling season for real estate, right? So after July, August, typically people don't want to move during the school year if they have children. They want to stick around for the holidays. So generally we start to see a reduction of new homes brought to the market, new properties for sale towards quarter number 3 and 4. So closed sales, let's go ahead and pull that one up here, city by city. So the county, June closed sales, 224. Now for Atascadero, North County, 24. Paso Robles, 31. Templeton, 7. And we take a look south, Arroyo Grande, 16. San Luis Obispo, 32. Pismo Beach, 10. And Grover Beach, for example, 7. And we take a look even more south in Napomo, 19. And in Oceano, 8. So closed sales, still relatively strong demand here for the county, but I have seen in the last few weeks that we've seen fewer offers on some of the listings where in previous times we might have had 5, 6 or so offers. Now we're getting 2 or 3 offers in. Still relatively strong offers at asking or above if the price is the correct market price, priced attractively and correctly. property is going to sit on the market if it's overpriced, like in any market. So we are seeing a little bit of a buyer pullback here for the month of June. A lot of that has to do with these higher interest rates, although we've seen some relief in the last couple weeks. As we see the pullback, we're going to continue to see the accumulation of those active listings, and I think we're going to continue to see that steady closed sales to continue as it has been and start to taper off in August and September. So with more active listings, what are we seeing as far as the days on market? Well, like we'd expect, more listings, more available inventory, we're going to see the days on market increase, which is what we have seen year over year. So if we pull up the chart, we can see here, June median days on market 11. That's up 10% from the previous year, which was 10, which was up 42% from 2022, which was 7. So median days on market, we're still historically low, which would be about 20, 25, even up to 30 days on market. So we're still low, but we're starting to inch up to more normalized days on market. So what that means for you as a seller, if you price your home correctly, with the correct strong marketing plan out there, you're going to expect to see offers for standard property. We're not talking about anything really unique. You're going to start seeing those offers within the first couple weeks. And if you haven't received an offer within the first couple weeks, probably a good chance that you're overpriced or there's something else going on with the property that you need to have addressed. For buyers out there, if you see a house that's been on the market for a little while and you're interested in the property, I suggest make an offer, because good, well-priced homes sell quickly. And if a home has been sitting on the market, it could be a chance for you to get in there, make an offer below ask price, and maybe get a good deal. So with median days on market increasing, we're also seeing that the month supply is also increasing. More active listings, more days on market. That means higher month supply. So a quick refresher, what does the month supply mean? Well, it means that if there were no new listings brought to the market, so no new homes for sale, how long would it take for the current buyers to buy up all of the homes for sale? So we're right now at 3 months. And if we take a look, that's up 20% from last year, which was 2.5 months, which is up 8% from 2.3 in 2022. So we're continuing to see the inventory month supply, which is a good indicator of what we might see in the next coming months. We're seeing that increase, getting closer to a more normalized market inventory level, which is about 4.5, okay? So what does that mean for you? It means if you are a seller, I would recommend bringing your house to the market, your property to the market sooner than later. Generally, things start to cool off, like I've said, in August and September and October. And as this accumulation continues of these houses that are on the market, it's not going to bode any better for you as a property seller. Also, if you're a buyer, hey, there's a lot of opportunities out there. You just need to know where to look. So if you are curious about finding those properties on or off market, reach out to my team and we can walk you through that process so you can get the best deal out there for a house that fits your criteria and fits your needs. So how has this all affected the sales price and the price per square foot here in the county? Well, we can take a look here at this chart. $880,000 median sales price for June, up 6% year over year, which last year in 2023, the median sales price was $829,000. So we're still seeing strong values for prices for homes that are being sold. And we're seeing that there's still a fairly good amount of demand here for the county. So still a good time for a home seller out there. Also means that you're going to have, with the more inventory, more options to choose from for a replacement property. If you are looking to move outside of the area, outside of the state, for example, you're welcome to reach out to us. We do a complimentary service for our out-of-state or out-of-the-area buyers to get you a referral. We hand select a few real estate agents that we think would be a great fit for you and get you set up with a great referral here. If you are a home buyer and you're looking to buy, it's a good time to sit down and really understand what your needs are, what your criteria is, map out your budget, because I do think there's going to be some opportunities for you in July, in August, and September. So stay tight. If it's been discouraging for you, or if you're just kind of gearing up for a home purchase, you're wanting to be a homeowner, again, you might see some opportunities in the upcoming months. Price per square foot has pulled back just a little bit, $518 price per square foot here for the county, and that's pulled back a little bit from $530 in May. So what does this all mean? Well, I think an important one to keep in mind is that the buyer demand has pulled back a little bit. We've seen that by increased active listings, a decrease in pending sales, and I think that's going to continue for the rest of the year. I don't think that there's going to be any major pullbacks in regards to the interest rate, so we're not going to see that much relief, which I think means that we're going to have to see some relief on the housing prices. However, with that being said, here, because we're in an insulated area and we've got so many out-of-town buyers here for SLO County, I think that we're going to continue to see strong home values for closed sales here. I just think that's what's going to happen as we continue to see this migration from folks moving from the city to this beautiful county that we call San Luis Obispo County. So if you are motivated to make a home ownership a goal of yours in 2024, reach out. We'd be happy to sit down with you, talk you through our strategy and our process for getting you the home at a fair price that meets your criteria for yourself or your family. If you're an investor, reach out. We'll help you find off-market properties or even get you great deals for on-market properties. And if you are a home seller and you want the best marketing for your property, reach out and be walking you through that process that we go through for each one of our property sellers to maximize the return for you and get the most amount for your pocket. So there you have it. That's the June numbers. It's a July update here. If you have any questions about your particular neighborhood, your particular city, and what's going on, reach out. We're happy to provide you with a more tailored market update based on your individual area, based on what you're selling in and where you might be buying. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Share this video with somebody who's looking to make home ownership their goal in 2024, or maybe looking to sell. We appreciate your referrals. Thank you for all of your business over the last few years and months. We appreciate all of our vendors and our clients. Till next time, take care.